Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a very basic Microsoft Visual Basic tutorial, and it's going to be the first of my series of Visual Basic tutorials. These are going to be mostly for the forums at Epic PC. You need to check those out, it's really awesome. You can register there. Just go to icrave.co.nr and click on forums. You can also chat. So this tutorial is on making a simple if statement. And again, this tutorial is mostly just for beginners into Visual Basic programming, but we're going to start out with the if statement. So if you want to go ahead and open up your Microsoft Visual Basic, I'm using 2008 Express Edition, and go up to your new project icon and select Windows Forms Application, and we can name this whatever you want, but I'm going to name it if statement. And the if statement is very important for making other programs, and it's very important that you get this down. It's really easy. Okay, now once you've got your program ready to work on, you'll get this screen. In the middle here you will have your form, which will be your actual program as you see it, which is the user interface. And up here you will have tabs like your start page. You really don't need this, so you can close that. Your error list, so if you've got any errors it will tell you and sometimes tell you how to fix it. And if you have more forms, you will have some more tabs. And to the right of the screen you will see your properties. This is all your properties of whichever object you have selected. Like over here we've got the name of our form. We can change that and we can call it if statement. It will not let you put any spaces in there. It's good to know. And as you can see, it says form 1 up on your little window. You can change that by going down to your text in your properties and changing that to whatever you like. You can also go to your start position in properties and select center screen, which when you debug it or test it using this button, it will come up in the middle of the screen. Now if you go to the left of your program, you'll see a toolbox, and this is everything that you can put into your program. Just gotta add the coding, but that is it. Okay, so now for our simple if statement, we're gonna be taking a button, and when you click it, it will change the color of the button. When you click it again, it will change it to another color, and when you click again, it will change it to the standard color. So go ahead and find your button under your toolbox. Drag it to your form, like so, and place it wherever you want. You can size it, and now you've got that selected. So now go to your properties, and it's called button 1. We'll leave it at that. And your text we can change to whatever you want, but I'm gonna put click me just as a simple program. And now we can resize our form to fit this, and here's how our program will look when using debug. We'll go ahead and debug it real quick. There's no coding, but just click start debugging. You can minimize this. It will pop up in the center of the screen and it says click me, but it doesn't do anything yet because we haven't added any coding. So close that. And now to open up the coding for click me, you can either right click and view code or just double click on the button. So what it is private sub button 1 underscore click is we will tell it what to do when you click on the button. So I've already set up the if statement. So if one thing happens, then that will trigger another. So if button 1 dot back color equals color dot blue, this is saying that if the button's background color is changed to blue, then button 1 dot back color is equal to color dot red. And what's that saying is it will change it to red. And now you press enter again and say else. And then this is so when you click it again, it will change it back to blue. Button 1 dot back color is equal to color dot blue. And here's your simple if statement. Now that you have that, we can test it. Click debug, and you can minimize your window if you want. And when we click it, it will change to blue. Click it again, it changes to red. And that is our simple if statement. Be sure to watch the rest of my videos when they come out. And thanks for watching.